So we're going to start off with the introduction to Vigabatrin and epilepsy. Epilepsy is a neurological disorder that causes seizures. Vigabatrin is a medication used to treat epilepsy. Um, Vi- Vigabatrin works by increasing the amount of the neurotransmitters GABA in the brain. GABA is an inhibitory neurotransmitter that helps regulate the excitability of neurons in the brain. So by increasing GABA levels, Vigabatrin can reduce the occurrence of seizures in some people with epilepsy. So this picture I kind of got from a certain article. I was kind of just showing the seizure types of reoccurrence, kind of really just a picture. But the ones with epilepsies have about 60% focal seizures. With the generalized seizures with epilepsy is 30%, and the unknown is 10. Next, we're going to get into how GABA as an inhibitory uh, neurotransmitter. So GABA is a chemical in the brain that helps control the activity of neurons. As we covered, when GABA attaches to a neuron, it makes it less likely to fire by stopping positively charged ions from entering the cell and by allowing negatively charged ions to enter. So this can help balance the activity in the brain by reducing the excitability of the neurons. Some people with seizures, they may not be enough GABA in the brain, which lead to an imbalance between excitement, common effects, and cause seizures to happen. Kind of just a picture here of how it binds. Kind of see really your main focus is on the GABA. Next, we're going to talk about how it can help prevent seizures. Let me move to me over here. Vigabatrin is a medicine that can stop seizures from happening by increasing the amount of GABA in the brain. It does this by blocking an enzyme called GABA aminotransferase that breaks down GABA in the brain. By blocking this enzyme, vigabatrin prevents GABA from being broken down and increases the amount of GABA in the brain. So this is the increase in GABA levels and can help reduce the excitability of neurons in the brain and prevent seizures from happening. So unlike other seizure medications, vigabatrin has a long-lasting effect in the brain because it is permanently blocks the GABA aminotransferase enzyme. See what a little bit what this chemical form kind of looks like. So what vigabatrin looks like is over here. So vigabatrin is a small molecule that is a part of the group of compounds related to GABA. It's a special shape that helps it attach to a block of the enzyme that breaks down GABA in the brain. This attachment happens in the part of the enzyme that helps break down GABA. Vigabatrin's special shape allows it to enter the brain and help increase GABA levels where it is needed. The way vigabatrin is shaped is important for how it works to help people with epilepsy. So, mainly just kind of like a picture to help about what you should do, what you shouldn't do. But why vigabatrin is effective as a treatment for epilepsy. And I got 6 things to cover. So the first thing is that epilepsy is a condition where there are strange electrical signals in the brain that cause seizures. GABA is a special chemical in the brain that helps stop seizures by calming down brain cells. So some people with epilepsy don't have enough GABA in their brains. This will carry on us to vigabatrin helps by increasing GABA levels in the brain, and by doing this, vigabatrin helps calm down brain cells and prevent seizures from happening. Vigabatrin is a medicine that has been shown to help people with different types of epilepsies and have fewer seizures. Possible side effects of vigabatrin, just like all medicines, vigabatrin can sometimes cause problems. The most common problem with vigabatrin is that it can affect your vision, especially the side parts of your vision. This happens mainly because vigabatrin works by stopping the breakdown of GABA, which can cause changes in how your eyes work. The chance of your vision chances of happening is higher if you take more vigabatrin. Vigabatrin can also make you feel tired, dizzy, or gain weight. And if you're taking vigabatrin, your doctor will check on you to make sure everything is okay and adjust your treatment if needed. So here's a better picture of my diagram. So really kind of talk about it a little bit. Vigabatrin inhibits the enzyme GABA aminotransferase, which breaks down the neurotransmitter GABA. By blocking GABA aminotransferase, vigabatrin increases GABA availability in the brain, which helps prevent seizures. Um, vi Vigabatrin irreversibly binds to the enzyme's active site, resulting in permanent inhibition. So this leads to GABA accumulation in the brain, helping to prevent seizures. I just kind of want to make sure I covered it with the picture shown here on the left side. And so really, to wrap everything up, vigabatrin is a medication that is used to treat seizures in people with refractory epilepsy, or infantile spasms. It works by increasing the amount of GABA in the brain, which helps prevent seizures. Vigabatrin can also cause vision problems, so talk to your doctor about the risk and benefits. Um, have regular eye exams while taking vigabatrin, and tell your doctor if you have any other concerns. And if you have any questions or concerns, you need to respond to a healthcare provider like your doctor. And thank you all for listening. Last slides, my references used.